Hi and welcome. My name is Susan and this is Ariana.
I'm doing some painting.
You're doing some painting? That's right. So we're going to do some craft today. Today we're going to show you how to make these little jellyfish. So they're made out of egg boxes, okay? So those are a couple that we made another day, made them last week. And we're going to show you exactly how to make them. So what you need is egg box. Some paints, doesn't matter what kind of paints they are. Poster paints, kids paints are great. You'll need paintbrushes, sellotape, glue, some wool. You don't need more blue? No. Pair of scissors and get an adult to help you with this. And either some little googly eyes or buttons. So we're going to use buttons today because I don't have any googly eyes at home. So what we're going to do is we're going to get an adult to cut up an egg box. Okay, so I'm an adult, so I can cut up the egg box. And we're going to cut it into 6. Okay, so each one of these little bits that would hold an egg is going to be turned into a funky jellyfish, isn't it? So we just cut it up like that. So once you've got your grown up to cut up your egg boxes for you, you can start to paint. So you take one of the little egg boxes and you start to paint it. Do you want to paint one for me? No, that's all right. Well, how about I paint one? Yeah. So shall I do pink?
Or red?
Or red?
I just knew it.
Yeah. So I'm going to paint my egg box. So you just take a paintbrush and you paint your egg box in whatever colour you want your jellyfish to be. So my jellyfish is going to be a red one.
It turned purple.
It turned purple. And that's because we used red and blue. And when you mix red and blue, it makes purple. Okay, so that is pretty much my egg box painted. Okay, and then leave that to dry. Okay, so I'm going to leave that to dry just there at the front. So here's one that I painted earlier. So actually, I think you painted this. It's got gold and yellow and orange and pink on it. So it's really, really pretty. So what we need to do now is create all the little legs of the jellyfish, all the little tentacles. So we're going to use our string or our wool. So if you've got wool at home that's all different colours, you can find a colour that matches your jellyfish, which is kind of cool. So I'm going to cut several lengths of this. And again, get an adult to help you with the scissors.
I might help scissors later. I think big and large it up.
That's right. Once you're big, you can cut this. So you have to be quite big to use scissors.
I'm not now.
No, you're not now because you're only 3, aren't you? So maybe if you're a bit bigger than 3 and your mummy and your daddy or whoever your adult is with you says you can use scissors, then you can. And your teacher, yeah.
And I need to be big too.
You are.
And fun. Then I know
big and strong.
And to fit it.
Exactly. So we've got our little legs. I've only cut a few, but you might want to cut maybe 8. I don't know how many legs a jellyfish have. Who knows? I know that an octopus has 8. And this isn't an octopus, it's actually a jellyfish. We cut a piece of sellotape. We take our jellyfish and we stick our bits of wool using the tape to the inside of our jellyfish. So now he has some wibbly wobbly legs. He also needs eyes. So
and the paintbrush is purple.
It's gone purple.
These.
So we're going to choose some eyes, and I'm going to choose blue buttons for the eyes. So I'm going to choose 2 good. Oh, they've gone running away. 2 good blue buttons. So let's find 2 good blue buttons. I like this one, and I like this one. We're going to grab a little bit of glue. So PVA glue is fantastic. School glue, something clear glue, anything like that. I'm going to put 2 dollops of glue on the front where I want my eyes to go. Oh, this glue is tricky, isn't it? It's a bit tricky to come out. So I'm going to squeeze the glue out. Oh, that's not working for me today. I think it's because we left the glue out. So you squeeze the glue, 2 little bits onto there, and then you can stick your buttons onto your jellyfish. And he looks super cute. Now the final thing we need to do is, if you want your jellyfish to hang up, which is kind of cute, is you want to have a little piece of string through the top. Okay, so he can hang about like this. So you want to make a little hole in its head. So again, I'd probably ask an adult to do this for you. So you can use something like a pen, and push it through
Only
to
yellow.
create a hole.
Only yellow.
You want to do yellow? Here's some yellow. There we go. Swap the paint. Create a hole. Grab another bit of string. Chop it off. You want another paintbrush? Good girl. We put the string through the hole at the top of the jellyfish. Tie a knot. And then your jellyfish will hang up. And our jellyfish is complete. So I hope you have fun with that. As I said, you need paint, egg boxes, bit of glue, a few buttons or googly eyes, and an adult to help you with some cutting. Okay, so have fun, and we'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.